Are you looking for the best Rowenta iron? In this video we are looking 6 best Rowenta iron. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Rowenta Iron. Stainless steel Soleplate professional steam station for clothes, 1.1L removable tank, fast heat up, 1800 watts, blue clothes iron. Brand Rowenta. Special feature, programmable. Color, blue. Recommended uses for product, steamer, wrinkles. Expert results at home, achieve professional outcomes with Rowenta Professional Steam Iron, delivering an unbelievable steam output thanks to the iron steamer for clothes' unique built-in boiler technology. Faster professional results, use this steamer iron for clothes with high-pressure steam and a 400-hole microsteam Soleplate for efficient wrinkle removal. Extended use water capacity, this clothes steamer includes a 1.1L removable tank allowing easy refills for longer ironing sessions with no interruption. Lightweight and maneuverable, this handheld steamer for clothes offers smooth gliding and handling, making it easy to maneuver during ironing and crafting. Durable design, built with a leak-proof design, this hand steamer for clothes includes a calc collector to provide lasting performance without water leaks. Number 2. Rowenta ProMaster Stainless Steel. Soleplate steam iron for clothes, 210 G/min, 400 microsteam holes, cotton, wool, poly, silk, linen, nylon, 1775 watts iron steamer for clothes, powerful steam DW8360. Brand, Rowenta. Special feature, auto shutoff. Color, black and green. Recommended uses for product, steam iron. Powerful performance, this iron, its 1775 watts of power, and its 430 steam holes, deliver professional-grade results with the best steam distribution on the market. Integrated anti-calc system, prevents mineral deposits from clogging the pores and staining your garments, it is an ideal iron. Precision tip, for hard-to-reach areas, with a high-precision spray tip to tackle stubborn wrinkles, this steam iron is perfect for the day-to-day. Safe and convenient, its auto-off feature, large water tank with a transparent window, and large refill opening make ironing easier than ever. Plus, this clothes steamer has an eco setting to use less energy and more efficient ironing sessions. For every fabric, this steam iron is perfect for cotton, wool, poly, silk, linen, and nylon. Number 3. Rowenta Iron, Focus Excellence. Stainless steel Soleplate steam iron for clothes, retractable cord, 400 plus microsteam holes, powerful steam, LED display, 1750W ironing clothes, cord reel, red DW5433. Brand Rowenta. Special feature, anti-calc function, anti-drip, auto shutoff, continuous steam technology, cord reel, even heat distribution, LED display, non-stick Soleplate, precision tip, retractable cord, scratch resistant, steam boost function, anti-calc function, anti-drip, auto shutoff, continuous steam technology, cord reel, even heat distribution, LED display, non-stick Soleplate. Color, red. Recommended uses for product, iron, ironing, quilting, steam, steamer for clothes, for ironing cotton, silk, linen, wool and synthetic fabrics iron, ironing, quilting, steam, steamer for clothes, for ironing cotton, silk, linen, wool and synthetic fabrics. Retractable cord for easy storage, the 8-foot cord on this clothing iron provides freedom of movement while ironing and retracts instantly for hassle-free storage at the press of a button. Easy control with LED display, an LED screen with 5 fabric presets on this clothes iron lets you select the ideal setting effortlessly, ensuring perfect results on all garments. Auto shut OFF and anti-drip, designed for safety and mess-free ironing, this Rowenta Focus steam iron with automatic shutoff powers down when left unattended and features an anti-drip system to prevent leaks and water stains. Premium Soleplate for faster results, our patented microsteam HD Soleplate on this retractable cord iron with 400 plus steam holes ensures optimal steam distribution, reducing ironing time and delivering a smooth glide. Powerful steam boost, with 1750W of power and a 180 G/min steam boost, this clothes iron with steamer penetrates deep into fabrics to remove even the toughest wrinkles with ease. Number 4. T-Fal Virtuo Steam Iron. For clothes with retractable cord, portable iron and steamer for clothes, ceramic nonstick Soleplate, 1500 watts, anti-drip, auto-off, scratch-resistant. Brand, T-Fal. Special feature, anti-calc function, auto shutoff, horizontal ironing, lightweight, non-stick Soleplate, precision tip, rapid heating, steam boost function, temperature control, vertical steaming, water spray function, anti-calc function, auto shutoff, horizontal ironing, lightweight, non-stick Soleplate, precision tip, rapid heating, steam boost function, temperature control. Color, gray. Recommended uses for product, ironing. 1400W power and fast heat up. Delivers a quick 30-second heat-up time with 25 G/min continuous steam output for high-efficiency ironing on all fabric types, from everyday clothes to thicker materials. Powerful steam boost, tackles stubborn creases effortlessly with a 110 G/min steam boost, making it perfect for thick fabrics, deep wrinkles, and tough ironing challenges. Durable ceramic Soleplate, features T-Fal's iconic scratch-resistant ceramic Soleplate for a smooth, effortless glide and long-lasting durability, ensuring perfect ironing results every time. Number 5. Newbealer Smart Steam Iron. For clothes, 1200W professional-grade turbocharged 3 steam and 3 dry heat modes, 45's heat up, 6-ounce tank, auto-off, non-stick ceramic Soleplate for home, RV and hotel. Brand, Newbealer. Special feature, auto shutoff. Color, ash pink. Recommended uses for product, iron for clothes. Turbocharged 1200W steam, wrinkle removal in seconds. The Newbealer Smart Iron combines 1200W power with PSA technology to blast 20 G/min concentrated steam, erasing wrinkles on denim, suits, or gowns significantly faster. Its 1.87 pounds design glides smoothly in RVs, apartments, or on domestic trips. Note, operates only on 110-125V, ideal for US travel, not international use. Low temp Soleplate, delicate fabrics stay pristine. Silk, lace, and will stay flawless with the gentle diamond ceramic Soleplate. The non-stick coating prevents snags, while 45's preheating adapts to rushed mornings. A simple, elegant choice for small homes or first-time users, safely refresh blouses, wedding veils, or travel outfits without complex settings. 360 degrees leak-proof design, steam any angle, zero mess. No spills, no stains, effortlessly steam curtains, dresses, or linens vertically/horizontally. The 6-ounce tank delivers 10-minute steam with 3 modes, 14-20 G/min, and dry iron settings, low-high heat. Powerful enough for DIY crafts like quilt patches or costume details as well. Number 6. Rowenta Iron for clothes. High-pressure steamer iron with boiler system, 400 steam holes, vertical steaming, 37-ounce tank, stainless steel Soleplate, auto-off 1800 watts, black-green. Brand, Rowenta. Special feature, anti-drip, auto shutoff, heavy, temperature control, vertical steaming. Recommended uses for product ironing. Powerful steam, speedy results, achieve fast dewrinkling with this iron steamer for clothes that provides up to 380 G/min steam output. Stainless steel Soleplate. Rowenta's durable stainless steel Soleplate features 400 active steam holes for precision and effective ironing with the Rowenta steam iron. Long-lasting steam power. Enjoy extended ironing sessions with a 1.1L water tank supplying continuous steam power to the clothes iron with steamer for large tasks. Multifunction. This steam iron allows vertical steaming and horizontal ironing for versatile garment care. Compact design. Store this compact steam iron handheld easily with its streamlined form and cord management. This steam iron also has safety measures like auto-off, anti-drip protection, and lock. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.